Proverbs are like little bits of wisdom that people have learned over many, many years. They are like special sayings that teach us important lessons about life. Just like how we learn from our parents and teachers, we can also learn from these wise words. Proverbs 20 is a special collection of these sayings that can help us understand how to be kind, make good choices, and be the best version of ourselves. So, let's explore Proverbs 20 together and discover some of these valuable lessons. It isn't smart to get drunk. Drinking makes a fool of you and leads to fights. An angry ruler is like a roaring lion, make either one angry, and you are dead. It makes you look good when you avoid a fight, only fools love to quarrel. If you are too lazy to plow, don't expect a harvest. Someone's thoughts may be as deep as the ocean, but if you are smart, you will discover them. There are many who say, "You can trust me." But can they be trusted? Good people live right, and God blesses the children who follow their example. When rulers decide cases, they weigh the evidence. Can any of us really say, "My thoughts are pure, and my sins are gone"? Two things the Lord hates are dishonest scales and dishonest measures. The good or bad that children do shows what they are like. Hearing and seeing are gifts from the Lord. If you sleep all the time, you will starve. If you get up and work, you will have enough food. Everyone likes to brag about getting a bargain. Sensible words are better than gold or jewels. You deserve to lose your coat if you loan it to someone to guarantee payment for the debt of a stranger. The food you get by cheating may taste delicious, but it turns to gravel. Be sure you have sound advice before making plans for starting a war. Stay away from gossips, they tell everything. Children who curse their parents will go to the land of darkness long before their time. Getting rich quick may turn out to be a curse. Don't try to get even. Trust the Lord, and He will help you. The Lord hates dishonest scales and dishonest weights. So don't cheat. How can we know what will happen to us when the Lord alone decides? Don't fall into the trap of making promises to God before you think. A wise ruler severely punishes every criminal. Our inner thoughts are a lamp from the Lord, and they search our hearts. Rulers are protected by God's mercy and loyalty, but they must be merciful for their kingdoms to last. Young people take pride in their strength, but the gray hairs of wisdom are even more beautiful. A severe beating can knock all of the evil out of you. In Proverbs 20, we've learned that it's important to be honest, kind, and make good choices. It's like having a treasure map for being a good and wise person. So, remember to be truthful, help others, and think before you act. These are the secrets to living a happy and successful life. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about these special sayings that can help you become a better person. Remember, being honest, kind, and making good choices are the keys to a happy and successful life. So, keep these valuable lessons in your heart, and may you continue to grow and shine like a bright star. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more wisdom from Proverbs. Until next time, take care and stay wise.